In 1883, the Earth rang like a bell. No metaphor, no exaggeration. On August 27th, a volcanic island called Krakatoa detonated with a force so violent that it rewrote the limits of human understanding. The explosion was heard nearly 3,000 miles away. Eardrums burst, windows shattered, people collapsed, convinced the world was ending. But the sound was only the beginning. In the hours leading up to the eruption, ships in the surrounding waters reported something deeply unsettling. The sea grew unnaturally calm. Birds abandoned the island entirely. Seasoned sailors wrote in their logs that the air itself felt wrong, as if nature was holding its breath. Then, at 10:02 a.m., Krakatoa exploded. The blast tore the island apart in seconds. A column of ash punched 50 miles into the sky, higher than any storm cloud ever recorded. The force of the explosion was equivalent to hundreds of megatons of TNT, making it one of the most powerful events in recorded history. The shockwave raced outward at the speed of sound. It shattered buildings across Southeast Asia. It capsized ships. It killed over 36,000 people, most of them swallowed by tsunamis over 100 feet tall. And then something impossible happened. Barometers across the world began to spike. In Europe, in Africa, in North America. Scientists at first assumed their instruments were broken. There was no known event powerful enough to cause synchronized pressure changes on opposite sides of the planet. But the readings kept coming. The shockwave from Krakatoa didn't stop. It circled the Earth. Not once, not twice, but at least 4 times. The planet itself had been struck hard enough to vibrate. For days afterward, the sky refused to behave normally. Ash blocked sunlight across vast regions of the globe. Daylight dimmed, temperatures dropped. In the months that followed, sunsets turned an unnatural shade of red and violet, so vivid they inspired paintings still displayed in museums today. Crops failed thousands of miles from the eruption. Weather patterns shifted. People who had never heard of Krakatoa felt its effects without knowing why. The island itself was nearly erased from existence. Where land once stood, there was ocean. Entire coastlines were rewritten. A new volcano would later rise from the ruins, a reminder that the Earth never truly forgets. Krakatoa didn't just explode, it proved something terrifying, that the ground beneath our feet is not stable, that the planet can, at any moment, remind us who is really in control, and that once, just once, the Earth screamed loud enough for the entire world to hear.